Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphone Stealth 600 Gen 3 with your Android device. You have to start by go to the settings and now to connected devices. After that click pair new device, and now at the left ear cup we have this power button. So firstly press and hold it to turn on your earbuds, headset. And now make sure that it's blinking blue. If it's blinking green, like I have, just press on this button to change mode. Now we have a Bluetooth mode, and then press and hold on this Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. And now we can see it at the device list, so just click on it and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!